Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Tipalti W-9 and payment schedule readiness, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Tipalti W-9 form, start by logging into your Tipalti account. Navigate to the tax information section on your dashboard. Locate the W-9 form submission area. Ensure that your W-9 is up to date by checking all fields for accuracy. Confirm that your name, address, and taxpayer identification number are correctly entered. If any information is incorrect, click on the Edit button to make necessary changes. Once you've completed the form, click on the Submit button. Next, verify your payment schedule readiness by going to the Payments tab. Check your payment method settings. Ensure that your chosen payment method is active and correctly configured. If you need to change your payment method, follow the prompts to update your preferences. Look for the Payment Schedule section within the Payments tab. Verify that your requested payment frequency aligns with your financial needs. If you have any pending payments, check their status. Ensure there are no outstanding actions needed on your part. Review the notification settings to ensure you receive payment updates. Lastly, log out of your Tipalti account after you've completed your checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.